Welcome to Career Launch Australia. The purpose of this short video is to explain you exactly how we can help you step by step. We strongly believe in the win-win philosophy. Our real fulfillment comes from seeing you achieve great results in your job search process. Celebrating your success brings life to our family-owned business. A win-win success blueprint can be brought into reality only through cooperation, accountability, taking responsibility, and persistence. Our clients understand that landing a perfect job is a collaborative effort and requires equal commitment from both sides. So what do you need to work with us? You need a visa that entitles you to work full-time on an ongoing basis in Australia. A visa such as, you can be a PR, you can be an Australian citizen, you can be on a partner visa or a spouse visa, you can be on a regional provision visa, or you can be on a post-study work visa. You will also require an open mind and an urge to excel in your career. You can be in Australia or overseas who is looking for a professional white-collar job in Australia after having one of the above mentioned visas. So this is how our proven systematic blueprint can work for you in just 2 easy steps. Step 1. After you have found us on Google, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn, or you have been referred to us by someone, you proactively schedule a 60 minutes live one-on-one professional video consultation with us. Simply visit our website careerlaunch.com.au and go to the consultation page in the menu bar. By the way, if you already haven't, we recommend you watch inspiring videos on CLA's YouTube channel of professionals from your industry or in your situation to understand how we have helped them in the past. Simply head to YouTube and then type in Career Launch Australia. Now, continuing with this initial consultation, talking about the initial consultation, it's a great opportunity for you to see if CLA is your best choice for your job search guidance, whereas it gives us a chance to serve you if this initial consultation, as well as how we can best help you in future after we have understood your situation thoroughly. This consultation will enable you to make an informed decision about working with us closely in future if you decide to do so. In this live and focused one-on-one consultation, you will get insight into Australian career opportunities and the inner workings of the Australian job market. You will receive crystal clarity around the vital preparation you will need to do in order to fast-track your Australian job search. You will learn how to overcome liabilities that stop you from reaching your career goals. You will receive professional feedback on the marketability of your current resume in Australia and how you can convert it into a job magnet and much more. So that was step 1. Step 2 is to enroll in our value-packed job search mentoring program. Our blueprint is a proven formula for your job search success. It is an end-to-end solution that covers all areas of your job search needs, right from mindset mentoring to profile crafting and from strategic networking to interview preparation. Our program also offers handheld post-mentoring support as long as it is required. More details about our packages are available on our website careerlaunch.com.au. That's careerlaunch.com.au. You see, over 90% of experienced professionals and fresh Australian graduates with full-time work rights approach CLA in a very frustrated, disappointed, and deflated state of mind after being unsuccessful in getting jobs in their field themselves, anywhere between 2 months and 2 years. However, they achieve great results after taking massive action through our one-of-its-kind program. Enrolling in our mentoring program is optional after the initial consultation. However, enrolling saves you significant amount of time, money, frustration, and most importantly, a career gap. So, how much does the program cost? My honest answer is we don't know at this stage because there are many variables in the equation, such as your mindset, your skill set, both your soft skills and hard skills required for the role, the length of your overall experience or no experience, how much of that experience is local Australian experience, your expertise, which is your demonstrated ability to solve specific problems in your field. Then whether you are looking for a job in a niche field, your interview skills, level of your confidence, the texture of your resume, required quality investment of our time, and much more. Once we discover these variables in the initial consultation, we'll be happy to quote your comparative investment in the program, the time required to complete it, flexible payment options, and discounts available at the time, if any. By the way, our program is quite flexible. We offer you great peace of mind through our double guarantee. Our first guarantee is our 100% commitment guarantee. And the second guarantee is our best value guarantee that the benefits will far outweigh your investment in the program. At CLA, we work with very few handpicked new clients who are firmly committed to their success. Are you one of them? If yes, take the first step. We look forward to serving you in a meaningful way.